How to delete Netflix search history. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can delete your search history on Netflix. Now, as of the updated information, Netflix does not provide users with the ability to delete the search history directly within the app or website. Along with that, Netflix also does not have any search history. Now, Netflix search history is usually used to improve your viewing experience and provide recommendations. So here's how you can clear your Netflix search history for privacy reasons or to remove basic search items. Here's how you can work around. Now basically what you can do is you can simply delete your watch history. So for that you need to scroll down a bit and here you can see that watch history. If you want to delete it, so then click on this three dot icon located right in the corner and then click on remove from row. Watch history has been deleted. So then continue doing the same for all of your watch history, and that is how you can remove your watch history. While this method allows you to remove basic search items, it may not provide a complete wipe of your entire search history. Additionally, the process or features related to search history management may have changed since then. So that is basically how you can remove your search history on Netflix. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.